First, ensure the router is properly connected to the 24-volt DC power adapter. Check for any visible damage to the cable or adapter. Try a simple power cycle. Unplug the router for 30 seconds and then plug it back in. This resets the system and often resolves minor glitches. Make sure the router is placed in a well-ventilated area to prevent overheating, a common cause of power failures. For a deeper reset, locate the reset button on the back of the router. Press and hold it for 10 to 15 seconds until the lights flash. Note that this will erase your custom Wi-Fi passwords and settings. Confirm that the SIM card is correctly inserted and antennas are fully extended for optimal signal strength. If a power cycle or hard reset doesn't fix the issue, use the T-Mobile app or web portal to run diagnostics and check the 5G signal strength. Weak signals can sometimes cause the router to malfunction. If the diagnostics identify a network-side problem, contact T-Mobile support. For persistent problems after firmware updates, check the T-Mobile support forum to see if a batch recall exists for the power adapter. To prevent future issues, place the router in a well-ventilated spot, away from heat, use a surge protector, and avoid overloading the router with too many devices. Keeping the firmware updated is also key, so ensure automatic updates are enabled. Remember, a stable 5G connection and consistent power supply are crucial for your router's performance.